me take off my Pee Wee Herman helmet, so I'm not looking like Pee Wee, right? No Pee Wee is allowed anyway, so we're just going to take this ZLRC up here for a couple minutes just to see if it flies. You know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? That's right. Here it is, the orange beast. It's the battery. I think it does the binding all by itself, to be honest with you. And I think they, man, it's windy. Hopefully, it'll hang. It's real windy, so we'll see if it's any good in the wind. I'm gonna go ahead and calibrate the GPS right now. Yeah. Okay, so you just hold that button until these lights start flashing, and it'll prompt you when to turn it the other way. Okay, so it's done. It's not too difficult with this. I've seen a lot, believe me, I've seen a lot worse than this thing, trust me. And I do like the way the gimbal reacts on this. That seems real nice. Some lag going on there, but we'll see. Let's see if the map is working out. Yep, it knows where I'm at, so that's a good sign. Well, let's just take off and fly it around for a little bit. Oh. Let me start the video up. Kind of leaning because it is very windy, so, but I'm just taking it around here for a couple of minutes just to check it out. Seems to fly pretty decently. It steers pretty nice. I'm gonna bring it down to the second rate. And we'll bring it down to rate number 2. And let's just bring it over here and let it hover for a couple of minutes. Like I said, it's real windy, so it's not conducive. This thing's pretty light, pretty small. But it doesn't seem to be toilet bowling or anything like that, so I'm not getting any of that kind of issue. It seems to be pretty stable, actually. I love that gimbal, how fast it goes up and down like that. See that? That's pretty neat. Not real slow like a bunch of these other kinds. But the wind is affecting it, I'll say that, no doubt. You see it going off to the side there? I don't think that would be doing that if it wasn't for the wind. Okay, so. Seems to be holding its own there. seem to fly too bad, guys. Yeah, seems pretty decent. Let me cut the video. Yeah, this thing may wind up being pretty decent, to be honest with you. This thing, it flies nice, you know. Like I said, it's really windy out here, man. I mean, turn this camera around here if you can see the trees blowing around there. And seeing that this thing is small and light, so that's going to have an effect on it for sure. So, yeah. Like it might be pretty decent. Matter of fact, the wind's getting ready to kick up even more. Okay, so my early initial thoughts are going to be that it's pretty decent. You know, I constantly forget with these kinds of transmitters how they have the on and off switch in the thing there. You know, it's really weird. Now all my stuff's blowing away. Oh well. All right, guys, have a nice day. That seat's still up too high. Trying some of these different camera angles on the bike. Of course, when you go over speed bumps, you can't be doing that, right? You gotta watch what the heck you're doing when speed bumps come up. Windy out here. Wow. Okay, so I made it. Yay. Okay, so I've made 27 miles on this bike so far. So me and Rich together, we've made it 27 miles. Yay. All right.